Alright everybody, we're back out here for a no update again. And we're not doing the Pier 1 import first. We ain't doing that yet. Not yet, at least. But we're going to be doing the AutoZone and Planet Fitness. So let's go ahead and get to work. Not get to work. I don't know what I'm saying. Sorry, y'all. I don't know what I'm saying. Sorry. Alright, stop here. Can I get out? Mm-hmm. Alright, everybody. As you can see, nothing that much going on. I don't know when this will open. It looks like soon. Looks like they're putting some stuff in now, so this could possibly open sooner. There's everything. Cars are probably looking at me. I might walk down here. Okay. Footage real fast. Gonna get this back here. I'm gonna take a peek in here. Yeah, nothing too much in there. Alright. But as you can see, they're putting stuff in, so AutoZone might open very soon. So, yeah, but alright, let's go in the back. Excuse me.
Right on your video.
Looks like you got a problem with it, I see.
No, we're fine. No problem here, Bob.
Alright. Alright. Then we got a girl smoking back here. Wait.
People back here.
They ain't homeless.
No, they work there.
Oh,
Silly.
I was saying they do. Or don't, whatever. Hi everybody, we're back. So I just had to put the camera down because I didn't want them looking at us weird, like why we have a camera on them or something. So that's why. But yeah. Oh.
It's fine. It's fine, Trey. You can keep it up.
Stop. Oh!
You lost your fan.
Sir,
There
you lost
you
your
go,
fan. Sir, you lost your fan. That was funny.
Do you see his fan?
Yes.
He lost it. It's right in the middle of the road. You don't even know it.
I got that on film.
It's on his trailer.
Alright, buddy, that was funny. Okay. Alright, everybody, we're gonna continue. I'm friends with somebody on Facebook. It looks like they're gonna be starting to paint inside. As you can see, they have the little thing at the bottom. So it looks like they're gonna be starting painting in here very soon. I don't know if I'm gonna be doing the front tonight because there's some guys up front. So yeah, Mom, can we end it like this because I don't want to go up there with those guys. Okay, everybody, we're gonna end it like this. I'm sorry, we ain't getting the front tonight. It's just there's somebody up there and I don't know if they're a worker or not, so that's why. But yeah, but thank you all for watching this update on the AutoZone and Planet Fitness and the guy losing whatever he just lost in the bag. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, everybody. Then we came back to see the missing fan that the guy left, and he never got it back.